I am Saraswati Patnaik. I was born in Andhra Pradesh, last town, Ichhapur, in 1935. So I had my metric examinations there in the high school, Surungi High School. Then I went to Berhampur, Odisha for my intermediate examination. I had my intermediate thing there, 2 years. There I was fond of photography. Then I found one advertisement of Bangalore Institute as a polytechnic. And I applied for it. Then they accepted, then I went there. It was 3 years course. Cinematography means mainly cinematography, but everything including carpentry, makeup and all these things, everything there. I had my 3 years training there. Then after that I should have a practical training in a studio, working studio. Then I went to Bombay and Filmistan. It was run by Tolaram Jalan, he was the proprietor.
So which year you went to Bombay?
That was in 56. 56 I went to Bombay. Then all this, I was accepted as a trainer. So then all these actors were there, actors. Raj Kapoor, Dilip Kumar, and Devanand, all these were there. Then,
You have spoken to these actors.
yes. I have spoken to them. And after my 6 months course there, when I went to Tolaram Jalan, the proprietor, to get the certificate, he said, "Why don't you join here? You have training also and you have education also and this that." I said, "No sir, I have to go back to Odisha because my uncle Biju Patnaik was chief minister there. I have to make some films there." Then he gave a certificate. Then I went back to Odisha. Then I worked for 2-3 years there. I worked for some films also, Oriya films. But then I used to go to Calcutta for filming, for editing and all these things, no. There I saw one advertisement of Film Ministry of India in Pune. Then I applied for it. Then they accepted. Ghazan Zagirdar was the principal there. He was a famous film director. So when I went there, so it was 6 months training course there. I had 6 months there. Then Ghazan Zagirdar said, "Join here in our institute. You have training also and you have practical training also and you can teach here." I said, "No sir, I have to go back to Odisha." So I went back to Odisha. Then somewhere I saw some, in the evening they used to have a meditation. I said, "What is this?" "No, Pondicherry Maharaj knows meditation." And then I thought of coming here. So my parents are, I was 33, 32 then, years. And they wanted me to get married there. I said, no, I have to go back to Pondicherry, let me see. So I came here in 67, August. August 8th or 7th, I don't remember. I went to our Bureau Central.
What inspired you to come to Assam?
Because that meditation we went to know. I went to know. They used to have at the centers. Then,
So there you came to know about Mother.
So Kameshwara was the head there. So he said, Now darshan is coming, so there will be two gathering there, and I know Telugu, Kannada, and Odia, Bengali, Hindi, Marathi, and all these things. He said, you can say. So I joined there. I walked. After 3 days, he asked me, you want to stay in the ashram? I said, I have not decided yet. I said, anyway, you give me one photograph and your name and so that also somewhere is there, that photograph. So I gave it to him. So on 13th of August only, he brought back and Sharat is accepted in ashram, Mother Chandra. So continued. I mind not to make my parents unhappy for coming. Then my mother used to say, you can see a girl also there and get married also. All right, I'll see. So next to the school, ashram school building, that was Francois' office actually, current one. So Francois' office was there. Then after Francois left, it was society took it over. So from there I used to sit and see. So I saw Vrinda coming with a frock and all from the embroidery department. There are some. So once I showed, one of my friends was working in society, Mr. Ramarao. He was a retired army major. So I told him that you meet his mother, parents and all, tell him. It's all right, we'll see. And then once I asked him, we know he was working in press actually. So he used to teach Sanskrit in the ashram. So we went to him. So I told Major Rao, I said, I won't tell about the girl, but the name I know, parents I know. So you tell. So he told him. So he said, all right, I will tell them whatever is there. So next day he came and said that they have called you to their house. So Vrinda was not there then. She had gone to Bombay. Her parents were there. So we went there. Then he told Major told them that he saw your daughter and he likes him. He likes her and he wants to get married to her. I said, we can't say anything. They said, we can't say anything. What was in Sanskrit? Sanskrit professor's name, you don't know? Jagannath Ji. So, Jagannath Ji was there also. They said, we can't say anything. Let Vrinda come from Bombay. She will decide and write to the mother. All right. So then I decided, I told Major, if this doesn't work out, then I'll go to Himalayas. They have no garden. Ashram has a garden there. So I'll work there. So all right. When Vrinda returned, they told her. Then he wrote this letter. To the mother. So mother replied also. Then the head of the department, embroidery head of the department, she was looking after the mother. So she said, you come to the ashram in the evening, then I will tell you. So the letter was given to her. So in the evening, we both went there, Naya and myself. So she came and gave the letter. My very good, my blessings are with you and all this. So so then I wrote to my parents, this is the thing actually. All right. This thing actually. When my friends come from film station or something from Bombay, Pune, all this thing, they ask me, you had all this training so many years and practical experience also, and you have studied and stayed in the ashram, why? I said, here at least peace of mind is there and no trouble. I think. Then he continues. So, mother, we asked mother. Mother said, 24th September, you have to come. So we both went. So mother asked actually to send 2 rings. So we had sent them before. So mother called to her room. So she had, in front of her, she had kept 2 stools. So 2 rings were there and 2 garlands also she had kept. So when we went, she looked at both of us, and she asked me to take the bigger garland, the longer one, to put on her. Then shorter one, she asked to put it on me. The rings also, she asked us to put. Then she looked at me, Ravinda, you are happy now? I said, yes, mother, we are happy now. And just continuing, it's okay, what to do.
Then you continued here, and where did you work in ashram?
First I worked in the Kameshwara, no?
Kameshwaram.
With Kameshwara. What is that called actually?
I don't know that is. That workers, maid workers.
No. Maid workers salary also, and for visitors to give the cards also.
Okay, like birthday cards and.
For dining room cards.
Okay. Coupon.
Bureau Central. It was called Bureau Central.
Okay, Bureau Central.
I was working there. Then Navjat from society, no?
Navjat.
He was friendly with my father. He and my father-in-law, they both came together in 1950s to see mother. So he said, why don't you come and see in department and things are so all right, I'll see. Then he brought all camera, these, that and all studios. And I started one in society office also, no? There.
So he did, for Arabil also he did some photography.
Yeah.
Initially when Arabil started.
Yeah. For Arabil Foundation also I had taken.
Lot of photos
and videos also.
Okay.
So then
BD Zetti. So when he went to Arabil also, I had taken the photos and all this. Okay.
So,
you have those photos?
There are some.
You have.
There are.
You show me later on Arabil photos that you have taken.
There are so many albums.
You'll be having hundreds of albums.
Yes.
Whole day if you watch also it will not be over.
Those photos which were exhibited there in that house. So all these things I kept in 2 bags actually, and told our this one, what is this exhibition? He has one shop now also. That fat fellow, what is his name?
Lalit.
Lalit garden.
Lalit.
So I asked Lalit garden,
Oh.
Lalit, can you take it and put it? He said, all right.
No.
So I don't know what he's doing, I don't know. Those.
But you have taken mother's terrace photos also and film.
Yes, I had taken,
But once you told me you had taken with mother's video filming of terrace darshan.
yeah, I had taken,
You don't remember which year that was?
no, those
Maybe
years,
in 70, 71, like that.
maybe.
But you have that record?
Cassettes are there. Once Huta's, from Huta's brother's terrace, no? From there, mother's balcony is very soon.
Taken.
So I went there. I asked her brother. He said, yes, you can go. Laljavai Indusana.
Yeah, now Gauri Di stays there, no?
No. Gauri stays next house.
Okay.
This is in front of the building, Ashram building,
Okay.
the corner. So there I went and took some photos. Then Huta said, can you take some of my photos? I said, yes, I will take. So I took her also. Then she had not taken then this house, Huta, Laljibai Indocha.
Now all our paintings are there in Savitri Bhavan. With us.
I don't know if it is put up or what.
No, there's a permanent gallery. On Savitri, permanent gallery at Savitri Bhavan, they made one gallery only on Huta's paintings. Nicely displayed, beautifully they displayed.
Horrible.
And they're maintaining well. Then where else you worked? The Central Bureau, then you took some photography classes also later on.
Yeah.
How was your student?
In Assam,
Ashram.
I took some classes and all.
So you feel your life journey from outside to ashram, that is fulfilled. All your aspirations are fully fulfilled.
I'm 85 now.
85. So you are happy.
Happy, very happy.
Very
That's what my friends, when they ask, you are working all these things, how did you have the ashram life and all? I said, no, at least here it is peaceful.
Peaceful. So you have no regrets. You are
No.
whatever you wanted to do, and mother has guided you and kept you very happy.
Yes.
So what do you advise the young inmates of the ashram who join? So what they should remember and work here? Any guidance from your life's experience?
You should never think that I don't get this, I don't get that, and all these things. So then whatever you get, be happy with that, then you'll be peaceful.
So mother's transformation of yoga is going on.
Yeah. No, there every day before I go to bed, I do some japa. So the main thing is Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guru Namaha. When we have taken them as our gurus, Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwar, they are all there.
Yeah.
So